干部晚上好，各位法友晚上好。Good evening, everybody. Now let's start today's event. 现在我们开始今天的法会。那么法会的第一项呢，是由责任扎西堪布为大家传授文殊真实明经的口传。今天这个口传接受完整的人呢，才能算是完整的拥有了口传。所以现在在线的大家都是可以接受到完整的口传的。So the first thing we're going to do today now is the oral transmission of Manjushri Nama Samakiti, which is also known as chanting the names of Manjushri. Khenpo Tsering Trashi is going to give the oral transmission now.
만즈저런자나 사도 사파라 마타나마 상가도가다 거반 저버를 예정을 동담면 상하도 저번 오늘 저와도 연결로 이번도 진정 我们今天的这个文殊真实明经的这个口传已经圆满了。那文殊真实明经呢，所有的这个密法当中最精华、最殊胜、最至高的一个这样的一个佛经，再加上呢，就是它是文殊菩萨的，就是一个佛最重要的一个密续的佛经。所以呢，以后我们就是如果有机会的话呢，我们就再次讲解一些细节的这个内容，我们大家一起发愿，有这样的一个因缘啊。那个凯伦，你帮我说一下，就是刚刚说的这个英文。然后就我的口传就已经圆满了。
谢谢。The transmission of chanting the name of Manjushri is completed because we are expecting the venerables are coming, so we have to quickly finish the transmission. Well, in the future, we will look forward to the teachings, to the further detailed teachings from Khenpo. So we're going to see whether we can find such an opportunity. So we will see. So now let's officially start our ceremony. Respected venerables, Acharya, Geshe-la, Khenpo-la, and Sangha, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, brothers and sisters, good evening and good afternoon. Welcome to Yeshikolo Tibetan Buddhism Association Australia's virtual celebration on Zoom. I am Karen. I'm so honored to be the MC of today's auspicious event. Today is September the 22nd in Tibetan calendar, which is called Lapap Butian in Tibetan. It is one of the 4 major festivals in Tibetan Buddhism to commemorate the life of Buddha Shakyamuni. 尊贵的法师阿舍利、格西拉、Khenpo啦，以及僧众们，各位嘉宾、各位佛友，以及亲爱的大众、各界朋友们，晚上好，下午好。今天是藏历的9月22日，是藏传佛教节日的4大节日之一，天降日。欢迎大家来到澳大利亚惠伦藏传佛教协会举办的云法会，我是 Karen， 很荣幸担任今天这个殊胜法会的主持人。It's worth mentioning that today's event is held on Zoom Meanwhile, it is live on YouTube and the live stream app as well. Hello to the audience on YouTube and the app. 今天的法会在 Zoom 云会议中举办，同时在 YouTube 和印象直播同时同步播出。在看直播的朋友们，大家好。Hlabap Dutin refers to Buddha Shakyamuni's descent from the God realm of the 33 down to earth after he had ascended the realm and stayed there for 3 months in order to give teachings to benefit the gods in that desire realm and to pay kindness to his mother Maya by liberating her from samsara. Although the heavenly is a higher realm, it is still in samsara, where sufferings occur at all times because of ignorance everywhere. The only way to help his mother to stop sufferings was to liberate her from samsara. That's why Buddha gave teachings about getting freedom from samsara to his mother and her peer gods. So today is also the day to observe and memorize Buddha's practice of gratitude to his mother. Let's take this great opportunity to do everything positive we can to repay our parents' love. Moreover, we should always take positive actions for the benefit of all sentient beings, as they have been our parents from beginningless time. On this extraordinary day, the karmic result of any behavior, positive or negative, will multiply by tens of thousands of times. So please take positive actions, such as doing offerings to Sangha, as it is the best way to accumulate merits. By running this incredible online celebration, Yeshikolo is trying to sow the seeds of liberation and to provide a chance that people could easily accumulate merits for the benefit of sentient beings and self as well. 那首先我先介绍一下我们举办这个法会的缘起。佛陀天降日是纪念佛陀释迦牟尼为报母恩前往忉利天，为死后转生到那里的母亲摩耶夫人说法圆满后返回婆娑世界的日子。佛陀为天众宣说解脱轮回的法门，因为天界再好，终还是离不了轮回。所以有轮回便是有无明，有无明便是有痛苦。那么让母亲摆脱痛苦的唯一方式就是帮她解脱轮回。因此对于佛教徒而言，今天也是学习佛陀的报恩日。所以我们要把握好今天的时机，知恩报恩，去宠爱我们的父母，更要为一切的乳母有情而行善。在今天这样特殊的殊胜的日子里，行善或者作恶的善恶业也是1万倍的增加。所以如果有能力，请供养僧众，因为供僧是最好的累积福报的方式。为了播撒善业的种子，帮助大家累积福报，慧伦特别举办今天这个云法会，让我们一起在云端以如此不可思议的方式来庆祝这个殊胜的节日。The organizer of today's event, Yeshikolo Tibetan Buddhism Association Australia, is a Buddhist center founded by Khenpo Tsertashi. It is a Buddhist center where both sutric and tantric teachings are provided. Yeshikolo is based in Sydney, Australia, though its branches in Taiwan and Malaysia are also active with classes and events. 法会的主办单位慧伦藏传佛教协会是由仁扎西堪布创办的显密兼修的佛法讲修中心，本部设在澳大利亚悉尼，同时还有台北、马来西亚等地的慧伦讲修会。Now I'd like to introduce today's presiding team. In this world of multiculturalism, today's Hlabap Dutin is presided by a team of venerables consisting of virtuous teachers from 2 major schools of Mahayana, Tibetan Buddhism and Chinese Buddhism. We are so lucky to have Venerable Ban Ruo Shi, who is the abbot of Pragya Monastery of Australia. We also have Acharya Rizhen Paudap and Geshe-la Jemba Ngawa from Gelugpa lineage of Tibetan Buddhism. and Khenpo Tharntashi from Nyingma lineage of Tibetan Buddhism. In addition, we are so blessed today to have Sangha in the holy place of Bodh Gaya to join us today's event. Being connected by internet, we will see them chant prayers in front of Mahabodhi temple as offerings to the three jewels and to pay for the well-being of all sentient beings. 接下来我介绍一下今天的主法上师团队。在今天的这个地球多元文化的世界，我们的这个特殊的殊胜的法会呢，由藏传佛教和汉传佛教的法师共同主法。今天的法师主法团队由不同传承的法师和师父们构成，其中包括澳大利亚般若寺住持尊贵的般若法师，尊贵的仁增巴主阿舍离，尊贵的金巴格西拉，以及尊贵的赞扎西堪布。此外，我们也有幸邀请到现在在印度的僧众们，他们亲往圣地菩提迦耶的正觉塔，在那里通过云端和我们连线，为大家在佛前念诵、供养、祈福。Thank you very much. Please allow me a few words to talk about today's program. Today's celebration consists of 3 parts. The first part is prayer session. In order to increase wisdom and accumulate merits, the venerables will chant the prayers, followed by a group practice of Buddha Shakyamuni Sanhana, instructed by Khenpo Tharntashi. In the second part, 2 artists will perform as offerings to the 3 jewels. In order to swiftly accumulate merits in our worldly life and to remove obstacles, as well as to make achievements on our liberating path, we will sing a beautiful song of light offering prayer with the lyrics written by Atisha as a perfect ending to our celebration. 今天的法会包括这样几个环节，首先是我们法会初世间的部分，由法师和僧众们带领大家念诵佛经和论点，以及修持释迦牟尼佛仪轨，为大家增长智慧与福报，领受诸佛菩萨的至悲加持。在第二个环节中呢，我们邀请到2位演出嘉宾为我们妙音献供。为了累积世间福报和获得出世间的利益，远离修行上的障碍，去除恶业牵引，最后大家将一起唱诵由阿底峡尊者亲造的燃灯祈愿文，圆满今天的法会。To start with, let's welcome Khenpo Tharntashi, the president of Yeshikolo Tibetan Buddhism Australia, to deliver the opening speech. 那么现在请大家聆听慧伦藏传佛教协会的会长仁扎西堪布致开幕词。Khenpo please.
那是高更多啊，听得到啊。哎呀，他第零那的呢，这当个能把上几把当，恰不得的呢，不就能登经文呢？他逻辑个能给上几的心，咱全部一要把人，第一的刚开始呢，这个。你上去中等的就冲个做儿是比啥个大法人，你他全国过滤的亲人，你他拉不的亲人，你穷知的亲人，那娘领的吧，的亲这样啥个大为拿来用的，逻辑个拿来，大把满着话一个拿来，上几个的亲咋些不一样吧人，他那你打第八的，那把满着为过呢，我那把那做不过呢。你长命松弛哪个有人别人这我也能得了就亚军囊等个的苏处理的军根基的等这个这个那么要我当对现在的恰不的呢这个都知道让你这个跟着他等着单纯心呢切的不住心呢做到念的呢大家存在个嘛的但是东巴个人讲他我不是做过上几分你都知道相处全部恰正的那种你他个人家个有人但是咱们那把从并不是不干这种不，对于澳大利亚让的军跟个大家一起当的呢， 罗本等这个蒙古式的配有的，最近的我说了，都把养进去把个那样的那了这个一嘛的这个样这个洛阳了说吧有的，他改一门了嘛都不做的让你上几研究是根本钱呢，你上几这个各种的用等等，对呢，他上几个这个南头的就是战国委员的上几个咋法的咋修的。要上级的那里把使用的，开始他当成上路当的那种单位形式，他们来一路可当呀，这个如果他在心里嘛，这个一路为了配比较等的这个人是，别让等的整个样都，哎呀那让你能把这个赢吧，上级的研究是赢吧，赢不开启为急了。上几个送张顿当一顿拉说把他妈一起过来上工作，就当个整个给南边有人的，也那上几个南头当三几么基本咋办有人，那不的真的啦一起有那不的真个空都啥的，但怕把他们给把上几个的人啥病都让人的，第那那刚送有把得打的那种木真修过的嘛都，当上呀这个大瓦斯尔巴、拉巴斯尔巴也也顿也是的呢，让长马这个的刚战争的就是当呢。这个马来上过的，就当个人拿起来这个有人，也那样让你东北的其实就跟这个人，刚等送了当几把来加深中跟这个人呢，我是送下要把第一双节你现的了，啊，做个大把的当那你把的个人上过的，他当然对这个关系忙不起都不门的，你扎到你这个长马跟的了，娘就弄完了，赶紧去写人，也就忙不都得下一个的怎么的。他第二等你等你啊，引这个消息，但这得几个月。哦呀，这是的嘞。Everybody, today is Labor teaching. Labor teaching is one of the 4 most important Tibetan Buddhism events. Buddha Shakyamuni event through 30 thought heavens to teach Dharma to the gods and his mother Mayadevi for 3 months. And today he come back the earth. That is why it is called Above teaching. This event is Rimit, which means for all schools of Buddhism. Today, we have lamas and venerable from Australia and Bodh Gaya join us. Today is very important and special day for us. Also, very special day for all Buddhists to remember love teaching with gratitude to Buddha, his teachings, and our mothers. On behalf of Yechikurlo Tibetan Buddhism Association and from myself, I wish everyone good health and receive many Buddha's blessing. Thank you. 好，我接下来将继续这个中文的就是用汉语跟大家讲继续。因为呢，根据报木文经，释迦牟尼佛的这个最重要的一个4大节日之一，今天就是天降日。我们都是作为一个佛弟子的，那就是我们的唯一的本师是谁呢？就是释迦牟尼佛。所有先界前佛都是佛，都是如来，但是我们唯一有一个尊称，就是本师这2个字，用于释迦牟尼佛，称他为我们的本师。为什么？没有他，过去佛、如来佛、未来佛都救不了我们现在的这个末法时代的我们这些众生。所以我们的最根本的导师本尊就是释迦牟尼佛，他的种种的这个 他的所有的这个圆满的事业当中，也主要的一些事业呢，我们应该要铭记在心，天天要岁念。那今天就是借着这个书生的一个节日，所以呢，我们一起来就是岁念释迦牟尼佛的功德。今天有来自菩提迦叶的特别的一些圣众，专门在我们的眼前，而且在他们的背后，我们完全看到整个完整的正觉塔。也许这是很有史以来很难的，但是我们也是有时候是这个忘记网络的时代的一个优势，就是这样，也是我们的福报。除此之外，还有部分教派、部分汉藏的传承的佛教的这个师父们，也今天我们就能够邀请来助法，也是我们的福报。还有我们的演奏家，还有大家的一些志工，各个方面来一起就是努力，所以就有今天的这个共享盛举的这个福报。那我也借着这个机会呀，感谢所有的这个工作人员、慧伦的志工团队，所有参与者，所有在线上的一个在参与的人，尤其是我们的贵宾们，这些地灵。
Thank you, Kempo. I'm going to share with you a video clip that I got this afternoon. Okay, what we just saw was taken this morning by Lama Ngawang and his team in Bodh Gaya. 大家刚刚看到的这个小片段呢，是Ngawang师父和他的这个团队们今天早上去正觉塔里、正觉寺里拍的。So they just, on behalf of Yeshikolo, they present Buddha robes and offering bowls in Bodh Gaya. And also, it represents the offerings of everybody today here on Zoom. And luckily, Lama Ngawang and his team are also here on Zoom with us today. And now will be the first prayer chanted by Ngawang Lama and his team. The prayer they're going to chant is Noble Sutra of Recalling the Three Jewels. 接下来呢，大家要听到的就是我们的第一个念诵。那第一个念诵的内容是随念三宝经。随念三宝经是由刚刚大家看到的，为大家今天早上去正觉塔做献供的Ngawang师父和他的团队们。 The second prayer is verses of the 8 noble auspicious ones. This prayer will be chanted by Acharya Rizhen Podap. 接下来呢，是由仁增巴竹阿舍离为大家念诵八圣吉祥文。Acharya, please. Next prayer will be Lama Tsongkhapa's In Praise of Dependent Origination. And Lama Tsongkhapa is the founder of Galupa lineage. This prayer is going to be chanted by Geshe-la Jinpa Ngawang from Galupa lineage. Geshe-la, please. 接下来请格鲁派的格西金巴为大家念诵由格鲁派的创始人宗喀巴大师所造的缘起赞。
Oh, everyone. Good evening, good afternoon. Oh, 这是德勒桑嘛。大概多些小些人中现在每都对些帮助把世界分布的不这边不小些就得了睡不着是那么不是不做不是要放弃谁些送吧也简单当罢了。叫我等着叫我从谁先当把得了就决定回花去年我提前早晚马里的放下同了等多我等着叫我中国。
We are lucky to have Venerable Banruo Shi from Chinese Buddhism to be here today with us. So he's going to give a speech first, and afterwards he's going to chant Mahamangala Sutta, which is also known as Discourse of Blessings. 那虽然今天这个天降日是一个藏传佛教中的一个大的节日，但是呢，它其实应该被所有的佛教徒一起来进行庆祝。那今天我们有幸也邀请到了汉传佛教的一位师父般若法师。那般若法师呢，首先为大家致辞，随后呢，他将为大家念诵吉祥经。般若法师有请。So, Venerable Banruo Shi, please.
Okay, thank you, Karen. Thank you, Kampo, invite me join this special day. Can Karen talk me on? 听得到吗? So I feel today is a very special day. So we're first one for thank you, Kampo, invite me. And all the monks from the different countries. There's still very lucky way in the Holy Land, in the Buddha's place. So Buddhigaya. So we just now see the monks chantings, offering, dana, and in Buddha's front. So this is very special. It's very special. Like in Mahayana Chinese, we never celebration this special day. Like me become a monk more than 30 years. Today is my first time to join and celebration. So this this special day, just thank you for the Kampu and all the Rinpoche's venerables together. 今天呢是非常难得，在堪布呢邀请我一起来参加庆祝这一个佛陀的吉祥日。那在汉传佛教，我们通常呢没有这个节日庆祝，我们通常只是庆祝释迦牟尼佛的出生、出家和成道所以天降日呢，只有我们去朝圣，到印度朝拜八大圣地的时候，我们就知道佛陀曾经升天，曾经下降，到天上之后呢，那这个说了这个地藏经身上倒立天33天。如果大家以后有机会那下到我们到印度去朝圣的话这个地方在我曾经朝拜印度圣地的时候也去这个地方，所以今天一切的因缘要感谢我们堪布能这样的组织，让我们也恭请到在印度的我们的这个仁波切，我们堪布大家呢在佛陀这个正觉大塔来诵经，为大家祈福，所以我一样也是呢，这个在此呢，这个一个很好耀的心和感恩的心，与大家一起来庆祝这个吉祥和难得殊胜的日子。好，谢谢大家，阿弥陀佛。And just now, we chant the Mangala Sutra, is in the Mandarin. Okay, so 我们请大家合掌，我们一起来诵这个吉祥经。佛说吉祥经，如是我闻，一时佛住舍卫其陀园，其骨斗金色，是以野生，有一天神殊胜光明，遍照园中，来自佛所，恭敬礼拜，站立一旁，以记百佛言：众天神与人渴望得利益，思虑求信佛，请示最吉祥。世尊如是答言：远离众愚迷，亲近诸智者，尊敬有德者，是为最吉祥。居住是一处，往昔有德行，自身于正道，是为最吉祥。多闻公益经，言辞诸境界，言谈悦人心，是为最吉祥。
That is the Buddha Shakyamuni Sadhana. Khenpo Sarantashi is going to instruct this part of the practice. 接下来呢，我们要进行的是释迦牟尼佛的仪轨修法。我们有请泽仁扎西堪布来带领这部分的修法。堪布啦，有请。
那说等你个尊严的特征建立的主体，经常是。好，我们一起，刚刚主持人说的一样， 如果大家因为参加一个正式的正规的一个发会的时候，尽量呢我们能够自己开视讯，这个期间呢就是完全就在一个书生的发会现场一样，这样直接响应直接一起参与，这种感受是不一样的尽量可以希望能够放下其他身边的其他的受伤的东西这是我的一个呼吁，不是一定要求的。我上节就到早节就拿来将这把带到那叫圣者大海颜色地北草南罗拉潘些上节这本书我做的牛没想我可安藏的是那种把这些将来想着怎么来说的怎么来说的怎么来说的怎么来说的怎么来说的怎么大家都么来说的怎么来说的怎么来说的怎么来说的大家都么来说供养皈依上师本师出有怀善事真是圆满真等觉释迦牟尼佛顶礼供养皈依上师本师出有怀善事真是圆满真等觉释迦牟尼佛顶礼供养皈依上师本师出有怀善事真是圆满真等觉释迦牟尼佛唵嘛呢嘛呢嘛嘛呢嗦嘛呢嘛呢嘛嘛呢嗦嘛呢嘛呢嘛嘛呢嗦。
接下来到了我们今天的第2个部分，是表演献供的部分。In this session, we have 2 artists who are going to perform. The first one is Yangjima Chang. She's from Taiwan, and she's going to play Bodhisattva Avalokitesvara. 第1位演出者呢是来自台湾的央基马师兄。央基马师兄为大家要表演的曲目是菩萨观世音。有请央基马师兄。央基马 please。 下面一个为我们献唱的是来自于蓝山的任庆，他要演唱的歌曲是《世间荣华如烟雾》。这首歌呢是由著名的根登全培大师他写的词。Next comes a song. The singer is from the Blue Mountains, Ren Qing, and the song entitled Worldly Prosperity is Nothing But Illusion. And this is the lyrics of the song is written by Genden Chopel. So, Ren Qing, please.
Mani chile dim dang me la me sam jang sam na jang me ji me la se ne ji po ni chele ni xie mi chang zhang zhen bi zhou la Chap chi ta ba sa sen na ye tu ji kan ji chi na zo le chi Jenny che van kori chu ni le jerte me pa je mi ran dan ye mo do sin ji ja ru ka ye Nham chong cho chi tante leve sang Omone li chi chazme va Yo yule da vi gong ja ya chune
那先发没骂嘴吧？
Ancien ye mi sarte tanti Même temps la fiance yare sans Gano shune bare mi chi wo tham chame ni mele che vi ma sare thang ya Chanti to chi wo vi sho la nang ta sin cho ta ma de Sergi yo palembu no sale Lise me ge pie jeli mile chang ye Yen rang di pi sem ji wo che Gong bi xun de de ta me de Mata sim ji cha sre shi la Pa tang tang na yo yo ja ya ba Chan bi je mo na te ku ti Yang kang tang bi je li me de Xie zhang zhe bi xue te san me zi 求什么把你披上的，因为我不将在了这位吧，学米也得着来装素。学米也得着来装素。Thank you, everyone.
特地姐人情多谢啦 ，Thank you very much， 非常感谢。So the chanting of light offering prayer calls a perfect end to today's celebration. Please allow me the opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation on behalf of Ishikolo. 在燃灯祈愿文的唱诵中，我们今天的法会也即将落幕。请允许我代表主办方慧伦藏传佛教协会表达由衷的感谢。My thanks first go to Buddha Shakyamuni, who not only found the path to liberation from cyclist existence, but also made the findings accessible through his various teachings. Thank all the advantages we hold as human beings, that enable us to have the opportunity to know the Dharma and to learn the Dharma, so that we have the chance to get the freedom from samsara. My thanks go to all the venerable beings from Bodh Gaya to Australia for their loving kindness and compassion to lead the prayers, which remind us of the merits of the three jewels, inspiring us to pursue liberation of sentient beings from samsara. My special thanks go to Khenpo Tsarintashi, the president of Yeshikolo, who, full of compassion, advocates, plans, and organizes this special event. Thank you, the performers, for your beautiful music and sound, which are unique offerings we can make to the three jewels on this special day. 首先，我要感谢释迦牟尼佛，他发现了了脱生死、到达解脱彼岸的道路，并且向世人宣说。感谢我们拥有暇满人生，能有机会执于佛法，学习从轮回中解脱的办法。感恩今天所有的僧众，从菩提迦叶的正觉塔前到大洋洲的悉尼，法师们带领我们念诵佛经，意念佛陀，随念三宝的功德。特别感谢泽恩扎西堪布发起、策划、组织并带领慧伦团队准备了今天的法会。感恩今天的演出者为我们带来美妙的乐曲，贡献给佛法僧。Thank you the volunteers who keep themselves busy to ensure the event move forward smoothly. Thanks to everybody here tonight for your diligence and tolerance. You try to overcome all difficulties to join in today's group practice and the celebration. Because of our joint aspiration and effort, we've produced positive collective karma. Without any of you, the success of today's event wouldn't have been possible. Lastly, I want to thank the pandemic, which impeded our physical movement, thus forced us to take our Dharma learning and the merit accumulation. We would never even think of holding such an online celebration to connect people around the world if there were not the pandemic. 感谢今天的义工师兄一直忙忙碌碌，保证今天法会的顺利进行。更要感恩今天所有的大众精进文思修，克服时间上的困难，参加今天这个殊胜的共修。因为大家共同的发心和努力，我们成就了今天殊胜的善的共业。今天法会的圆满离不开任何的一位。最后也要感谢疫情。正是因为这场阻挡了众生脚步的疫情，让我们学会了通过云端来不中断的学习佛法，累积福慧资粮。正因为当前全球疫情大环境的特殊性，才给予了我们一个跨越地域与时区，在云端共襄盛举的机遇。Today's event is ending shortly. However, Yeshikolo's mission of taking sentient beings to the liberation path through teaching, etc., continues as always. Yeshikolo tries to provide teachings in multiple ways to meet the interests and demands of the sentient beings. Runsong Buddhist channel provides trilingual program. On social media WeChat, Yeshikolo runs different programs. Meanwhile, Yeshikolo is also running 2 courses online via Zoom. The one is the Words of My Perfect Teacher, which is a preliminary learning to prepare one for the great perfection. The other one is 400 of the middle way. Everyone is welcome to become member with us. Together, we head to the liberation from samsara. 今天的法会圆满在即，但是慧伦弘法利生的事业将一如既往。慧伦尽可能以契合所化众生的各种方式进行讲经说法的利众事业。慧伦在 YouTube 开设3语频道荣松佛教频道，定期推出与佛法和活法相关的内容。同时，慧伦在社交媒体微信中开设账号慧伦佛学，以及微信群里慧伦听书、慧伦问答、慧伦佛法课程等内容。此外，慧伦还在 Zoom 开设长期课程，目前进行中的包括赞扎西堪布宣讲的大圆满前行引导文、普贤上师言教，以及五部大论课程、中观400论。欢迎大家申请成为慧伦的会员，菩提道上结伴而行。Finally, wish everybody a blessed human life, with all negative circumstances purified to become positive ones. Thank you, everyone, and good night. 最后，祝愿各位顺缘如意增，违缘悉消泯。祝愿大家60吉祥，扎西德勒。今天的法会到此圆满，祝大家晚安。
哦，大家好，我就是正常就是这样的啊。现在我必须要跟大家说一句话，希望大家再能给我1分钟啊。都知道呢，永肯南比，사자 대기 파츠 치료 치수 주바 등바 산tum라 레고 요사레 칼레 지니 니마 노버라 요르 점부 요르짐비 드니 도르지단 진간돌라 침부고 호르지에다 안나 나바 참미 시작나 만미 남니 주요 바든 자디 나라야 심지 땅라 주마마이 비 초라시오 지 레송 드니 나양 하모 따텔라 탐모 범모 본도 살조레 나초 동바가 전자기 지죽스 염부 차니 지히나 대랑데라 다동 양바가 다동양 요레 보바양 강나강성 파이다 데소니 지요레 에나 다치 현나기 지진 노보시 그 니르고 강히마르토 저당기 옛나 메세강나라 다 메세 데라 데니 타마 찍라 동바투지 정상 기분이 데라 메세에 날레고야라고 시요레 단다 yen디게 대랑 그 디신 캬버전 데당 떴니 참마가 마고바나 다다 콘남바당 냠도 요빈니신 데라 안가서 냠도 립터야고 뭔데시고인 상마 니버더 립터바 샤오 냠비 토가당라 담자 요고근도 된다리 되니 남바 참민군이 된지가 소라티 다다 나서다 이신콜로 근데 초바 총총데라야 다다다 조된 갱아레 갱아레도레다 때 고득진이 캐나바 참만 우승아서 우승 어떻게 말했대 냠죽동한테 심지 땅니까 전지시고요니对，我刚刚说的是，我现在看到菩提迦叶的就是傍晚，而且看到正确他的这个电影上的一样这个日落的这个傍晚的这个现象，而且喇嘛们拿着这个酥油灯，然后大家一起祈福的这个场面，我是万分感动的一个状态。因为我也是非常熟悉这个地方，也去过很多次，每年几乎在以前的话呢，就是冬天的时候我们在那边经常就是念经发愿的。我经常在上课的时候也跟大家说，大家是身为一个佛弟子，必须要一生当中至少要到一次菩提迦叶，要看一下啊，这个是就像这个伊斯兰和这个耶路撒冷什么这些的这个东东都是由他们必须要到一次的这个圣地一样。作为佛弟子，我们今天这个出生日，我希望大家一起发愿，你们都也一定要发愿，将来要去这个地方。我相信很多人已经去过的。那拉曼曼呢？也许我们请他们送我们一个祝福。前两边我说了，杨杰莫兰娘不把我去送了，赶紧去。他你怎么去拿着？他的袋子他让着我也的，他哒哒了一下，我就不想离开这个场面了。对行，咱不是把我让行这个都，对行。
Thank you.